the grocery store has a lot of things inside of it, and the produce area is pretty fun in the Japanese grocery store. There is a specific section that has stuff that is just discounted. And I always peruse this because if there's something that I want...
Discounted fruit?
Like discounted fruit, discounted vegetables.
Sounds like a tummy ache coming out of you.
But it's not, because you live in Japan. And Japan's level of quality where they would like discount stuff is so much higher than what... wretched stuff we might find in other places.
Any teeny tiny little malfunction on a fruit and it's like the discount bin. Or sometimes they even have entire, like, not a grocery store, but like the fruit stands where the grocery stores send their reject fruit. And then, like, it's the entire, that place's entire business is reject fruit.
Reject fruit. Yes, this is, it basically
it means like,
entire industry.
It means there's like a little bit of brown. Like, it's not like some problem with the fruit. It's like some minor detail.
And we'll expose this in just a moment. But one of the things I found and posted on Instagram a while ago was a banana in a box. And as you can see, we have 2 boxes here. One has no yellow sticker. And what that means is this is premium banana jams.
It actually says premium banana on it.
Does it say jams?
No, it doesn't.
Can we make jams?
We could. Oh, yeah. It says premium banana made in Japan. Passion for quality.
Now, you might be asking yourself, that's a premium banana. How much is that going to cost? 800 yen. Which
is like $7.50 basically, I think.
Banana,
hold on. Should we
can't open it?
Yeah, we gotta wait because I think we have to have, we're doing a banana unboxing here. Do we have to have some sort of like glorious moment? You know what I mean? Like,
do you need a glorious moment? We can do that.
How can we get a glorious moment out of this? What do we do? Oh, okay, we gotta figure out like, we gotta figure out how we're gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? Like 3, 2, 1. Oh, are we gonna do that? And then are we gonna unbox this one first? Is this the one you want to do first?
Yeah, because then I want to show what the other one looks like.
Okay. So you can open it. I'm sorry, I took it from you.
Are you gonna do the noises?
No, that's it. We gotta do it together. We gotta get the right note too.
It'll be 1, 2, 3.
No, 3, 2, 1. I think it's better.
3, 2, 1.
Ah. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay. Good.
Are you ready?
All right. Yeah, but hold it up there. All right. So, wait. Hold on. Does the banana box opens this way?
Yes.
We were getting into this unboxing stuff, so.
Are we? We're really bad at
it. We're unboxing a banana, like it was straight up. Most of the time, I think people cut all those out, right? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Did it come out good?
It did. So this is the premium jams, and this is an 800 yen banana. That's ridiculous. As you can see, it kind of has a little bit of brown on the outside of it, but it's green near the tip, which indicates an Eric banana. I was reading this little label here. You might want to have a little check on that.
It says like when you're supposed to wait to eat it. So tabegoro means like good time to eat. Mm-hmm. So it says you actually need to wait for it to be a little bit brown and to wait a little bit longer when it's about how we have it. So the instructions actually say don't eat the banana as is, which is to me a bit surprising.
What I find very strange about that is that...
Oh, it says banana wa tabegoro ga taisetsu desu. It says attention, and it's very important for like to get the
timing
the proper
right.
What is the word for a good ripe? Is that like when a banana is good? The proper time to eat.
Why is this 800 yen if I can't readily eat it right now? And it seems as though in the state of the discount banana, it's better.
Wah, wah.
This is the time to eat it. So not only did I get a discount,
The smell.
Oh dang.
It's intense.
Not only is it discounted to an unreasonable amount. Like seriously, I bought like 10 bananas that were just the normie bananas. These bitches. I bought 10 of those for the price of this banana. But you're gonna get the discount, and you also can readily just eat this.
When you opened the box, it hit me, like wafted into my brain. Okay, so the purpose of these boxed fruits is not for average consumption. You explained that this one was on sale, right? Like 230 yen.
Yeah, so this was a discount one.
800.
To 800.
So the purpose of these is like gift bananas. You would buy these as a gift and then take them to somebody's house and be like, here, I brought you the expensive bananas.
Here's a banana you can eat in 3 days.
Yeah, it is 3 days. But you wouldn't want to bring the perfect banana with the, like, you don't want to bring a discounted banana as a gift.
I can take this off.
Can you? Will it come off cleanly? Because that's the important part. The box is important.
I can get it off there all nice, that's
So,
for sure.
anyway, what now we have, I'm not sure how we're going to do this. I thought this was going to be the banana to eat. Like, this is going to be the good one. But this is, like, according to the timing, like, this is the prime banana.
That's a prime banana. So I'm going to say that we won't be eating this right now.
I don't know, maybe. I don't know.
It even says on the instructions.
Yeah, but we have
don't
one
eat
to
that
try perfect. This one's
But
on
we
perfect.
can try it against a shitty banana.
But we can try all 3. I can eat 3 bananas.
You're going to eat 3 bananas?
Well, I think the first...
And you're going to break the banana rules?
Well, I want to know if it matters. If it is super important, like they say. Sugar spots is what they're calling it. The brown. That's what it says.
And background to this is I like sugar spot bananas. Eric likes green bananas. And they're
If a banana doesn't crunch when you bite into it, it's not a good banana.
and mine, if it doesn't look like a leopard or a cheetah, it's not worth my time.
Okay.
So it's good that we span the banana rainbow.
Okay. Are we gonna look good? The banana also has got a thing, a jacket like on it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get the camera to do this with our face. You gotta get your face out of the shot.
It's on there. It's on there.
So there you go. You can see the jacket on the banana. And what does it say? Kawa.
It's just the name of the banana. Kawaminami
Oh, okay.
Miyazaki
Kyushu.
Kyushu.
That's a hell of a name for a banana. And it says next 716 made in Japan. I didn't even know they could
This
grow.
banana seems more professional than me, and I'm going to consume it.
All right, so I'm gonna. This feels a little bit erotic. Ta-da. All right, so we have got this off. Did we show?
I feel like it has a face. Why does this banana exist?
And then in the box, what is the deal with all the fluffy stuff? You know what I'm saying?
You gotta protect your banana.
Protect your banana. All right.
I think you basically paid for this. Like, they brought it down to cost. Like, it cost 230 yen for this box. And they're just basically trying to make back the money that they spent on the box.
Oh, they're talking about, like, temperatures and stuff? This is getting too banana complex for me.
I am assuming that the temperature at the supermarket is optimal.
Okay, are you noticing the shape of the nubbin?
Yeah.
That is, like, compared to this, it has got like a dimple, like a nipple. It's like we got a nipple-y banana situation going on here. Are you noticing this? And then like this is just your standard, like, you know, barely.
That's a Eric banana.
Yeah, well, it's a good banana. There are no bad bananas. Okay, do you want to do the honors?
Yeah.
Okay, are you gonna open it like don't gorillas open them from the bottom? I think I saw that on Reddit or something. Like gorillas.
I'm not gonna do that. That's really hard.
Oh, it's like kind of squishy?
Yeah, that area was squishy. Already, that experience was not what
Premium.
I wanted it to be. I'm not good at this.
You can put the peel on that plate over there if you need to.
Here we go. It's a little bit like
Be
that.
careful. Don't bite into that guy.
Yeah. Alright. You can't tolerate that end bite, that's for sure.
It smells really sweet.
Yes. Yeah, I think that you saw the sugar spots? Prime texture.
Is it good? Oh, you have a bite?
Eric likes the best banana I've ever had.
Is it? Is it a really good banana?
I am assuming it's creamy. Why is it creamy? I thought we were going to eat this banana and that it was going to be like, this is a chump banana. Nope.
It's pretty good.
The banana's making up for
I seriously thought that I would think this was going to be too soft and sweet because I tend to like a firmer banana.
It's firm.
I was joking about the banana cracking when you bite into it, but I like it to be a little bit firm. This one is still firm, but it's sweet at the same time. Like it brings the flavor that you get without having a bummer of a texture.
Now, I want to point out one thing. Most people would want the sugar spots. Most people, I think gosh, and I might be speaking out of turn about this, but I think that this yellow leopard print banana is the mass of people like this better. The majority like this better because it's sweeter and it's better.
People aren't the banana connoisseur that I am, is the thing.
But you like the non-ripe banana. So even though this is instructing you to wait, this might be the most non-ripened banana in the world.
The expensive one, you mean?
Yeah.
So you're thinking I should get into it? Are you gonna eat the rest of that banana? We're in a corner right now, by the way.
Yeah. I think that we should. I think we should try that. I feel like we're breaking the rules, but that's only because they want it to get to that sweet spot, which the sweet spot really isn't like your jam.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Did you even like show it nicely? Did you even look at what you were doing?
What did I? Like, okay, here. So can you click the screen so we get the focus? Okay, is everybody on page with what our banana looks like here? Mm-hmm, does it look nice?
Yeah, it looks
good. Happy? Okay, and then Okay, and once again we've got. We'll do this is for our OnlyFans, y'all. I'll show you the back how it comes undone. Mm-hmm. Some people have a problem with that.
It's really hard.
What's up, girl?
You did it one-handed.
Yeah, got a lot of experience. And then you bring her around, and then it didn't fall as elegantly as I was hoping. There we go. Now we got a naked banana.
Nonchalant.
Okay, and you're right. This one does not have. It has some of the brown, the sugar spots on the back.
The tip is like still green for sure.
Yeah, but
it's gonna be hard to open.
We still have the nipple on the tip. Like it's still got that nipply vibe going on there. Yeah.
It's gonna be hard to open.
Yeah, it is gonna be hard to open. Maybe we should do it like a gorilla.
There you go.
This was a $7 banana that we are eating against the instructional packages. We might be really screwed. But to me, I can look at this and I'm already feeling like that is a banana for Eric. Like, you know what I mean?
I hope that we know what he means. Do you remember that banana like 2 minutes ago? That was like the best banana. Yeah,
the other one's a better experience. You have to wait as the instructions say.
You gotta get the sugar spots?
This one doesn't have, it just tastes like this chump change banana.
It's still creamy.
Yeah, I mean, it's alright, but I mean, is there a difference?
That one might be better. It's got the tang. It's got the too ripe tang. This doesn't have any tang. Do people know about the too ripe tang? I just made up this phrase, but there's like, in a banana, there's like this like flavor inside of it that just kind of, it's like a swirl. It doesn't make any sense what I'm saying right now.
It's a lot of potassium today, baby.
I prefer the
I think
cheap
the
one.
chump change banana was better.
Hold the train.
But yeah, if you do as the instructions follow, this is a banana in a box. You're getting weak in the knees. The box banana is better if it is properly like aged. It's like a wine or something. You know what I mean?
It's like a banana wine.
So yeah, these are the Japanese boxed bananas is a thing, and I've seen them for years and years and years in the grocery stores here, but this is the first time we've ever been like...
I feel like I'd never seen them.
Oh, I'd seen them.
And then once I saw it, I was just like, what the hell? Who's doing that?
I just ate like 150 yen a banana right there in that bite.
Yeah. You're double fisting bananas right now. What a healthy guy.
Yeah, so it was a fun treat, but I don't think that I'm not going to start exchanging my chump change bananas for the box bananas full time. You know what I mean? Like, it can't be done.
No, it's not going to be done. I forbid it. We're not spending another 1,000 yen on 2 bananas. This is a one-time thing.
All right, cool deal. Do you want, which one are you just going to finish the sweet spots guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's dealing with this bullshit?
Well, me, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm okay with it. was going to say we could run the end card here, but we could just say the end card out loud. You know what I'm saying?
I like to eat my bananas in silence. But I was really sitting there like eating the banana quietly, and I was like, this is nice. Just being quiet and eating my banana. It's really nice.
What do we usually say for the end card? Like,
oh, you gotta get on them Twitters, and then like we're on some other social media that is Facebook and Instagram, and if you want to support us, Patreon exists.
There we go. Now we don't have to record anything else.
Done. Please be quiet.